Hi, this is Skoggit. Hope everybody's doing fine out there. I'm doing pretty good myself. And today what I'm doing is I'm making a video on a little gizmo that I bought. I was in the Walmart this morning and I saw this microwave popcorn popper. I was in there looking for some almonds for me to snack on, and I found this where the popcorn was. It was just right there in the snack aisle, and thought it was pretty cool. This is like 1 quart popper, and you don't have to have any oil or anything. This is supposed to pop the corn in here, to my understanding, and it's made by a company called Tasty. And I paid $8.88 for this. So going to go ahead and try it out and see if it works. Not even sure it's going to work. Came with a instruction booklet, of course. Shows you how to do it. I read the instructions so I know how. And I'm going to go ahead and make some microwave popcorn. And put it to the test, see if this is going to work. And it's only got like two parts. It's got this silicone rubber thing here, and then it's got the glass bowl. And I got my Panhandle popcorn. It's the only popcorn what I buy. And the way this works is to you put the whoop, got the wrong end, I think. No, that was the right end. You put the popcorn in here, and it's got even a fill line. It's got a little line right there. And you just fill this up to the fill line. Just like this. Then you take this and just put it in the bowl. And the instruction says that you let this pop for anywhere from 2.5 to 3 minutes, according to your microwave. Mine runs a little hot, so it might be less than that. I'm thinking maybe 2 minutes. But go ahead and give this a shot and see what it does. Let me move this over here to the microwave. No, you won't be able to see it pop, but at least we'll put it in there. Set this. We're going to set this for 2.5 and go from there. See what happens. Well, not doing anything yet. Oh, there we go. I hear it now. Now I see it. It's like just popping the corn in there. And it says to listen with the pops when it starts going like a pop and then it's waiting 2 seconds, goes another pop, then it should be done. And all microwaves are different, so just have to experiment with it. I just know mine, so I kind of know where the temperature is and how long it's going to take from making just regular bag microwave popcorn. took like 2 minutes. Go back over here. Get some, take this lid off because I know it's hot. And just pour it in here. Huh. Made the popcorn. I'm going to go ahead and take a taste of one and see how it come out. I'll be. Came out real good. Passed the test. And on this little silicone cover, I forgot to mention, it says you can take butter and put butter right there, and it will melt as the thing's popping. So I didn't put any butter on it, but it come out good. So this will make a little bowl of popcorn for a snack, and tastes real good. So it stood up to what it was supposed to do. They make a bigger one, to my understanding, they make a bigger one like a 3 quart, like a family size. But this is all I need. I just need a snack every now and then. This is Skoggit. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And for $8.88, hey, I did good. This is Skoggit. Y'all stay safe out there. Wear your mask and take care.